Okay, good morning. In last class we have discussed about find the image of the infinite strip y ranges from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. So now we are going to discuss the y ranges from 0 to 1 by 2. So under this mapping 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, the line y is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by line 1 by 2 is mapped into two circles with different center and radius. So now we are going to solve the problem y ranges from 0 to 1 by 2. So first w is equal to, under the transformation w is equal to 1 by z and z is equal to 1 by w. We know that z is a complex number and w is a complex number. So z can be written as x plus iy is equal to 1 divided by u plus ib. So now take conjugate, multiply and divide. So u minus ib divided by u minus ib. The numerator term u minus ib and divided by the denominator, the formula a plus ib into a minus ib. We can write a square plus b square, that is real part square plus imaginary part square. So we can write u square plus b square. So now equating the real part and imaginary part, we will get the x and y value. So x plus iy is equal to u divided by u square plus v square minus ib divided by u square plus v square. So from this equation, equating the real part, x is equal to u divided by u square plus v square and the imaginary part y is equal to minus v divided by minus v divided by u square plus v square. So finally under this transformation, we are having x mapped into a point u divided by u square plus v square and y is mapped into minus v divided by u square plus v square. So now we take the problem y is equal, second problem y is equal to 0. So substitute the y value here. So y is minus v divided by u square plus v square is equal to 0. So bring this term to the right hand side. So we'll have v is equal to 0. Therefore the y equal to 0 is a line, which means so y equal to 0 is a x axis and this line mapped into a line v is equal to 0 in w plane. So next y is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute the y value here. So minus v divided by u square plus v square is equal to 1 by 2. So now my cross multiplying, we have it minus 2v is equal to u square plus v square. So bring this minus 2v to the other side. So we'll get u square plus v square plus 2v is equal to 0. So u square, write u square as it is, plus v square plus 2v. So in this step, we will add and subtract 1. So plus 1 and minus 1. So u square plus, so instead of v square plus 2v plus 1, we can write v plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. So this is nothing but v square plus 2v plus 1. So instead of these three terms, we can write v plus 1 the whole square. So which is a circle equation. We know that the general form of circle equation is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square and center is h comma k and radius is r. So comparing these two equations, the center h comma k is nothing but 0, h value is 0 and the k value is minus 1 and the radius is 1. So clearly this is a circle equation with center is 0 comma minus 1 and the radius is 1. So here w plane. So our circle y is equal to 1 by 2 is a straight line, right? So y is equal to 1 by 2 is a straight line in z plane. So this line mapped into the w plane as a circle. So this is a circle equation with center is 0 comma minus 1 and the radius is 1. So hence the infinite strip. So our infinite strip is 0 less than y less than 1 by 2 is mapped into the region outside the circle. So outside the circle u square plus v plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 in the lower half of the w plane, right? So this is a very important question. So image of the infinite strips, y is ranges from 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 and y is ranges from 0 to 1 by 2. So under this y is equal to 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 in z plane is mapped into a circle. And second problem, y is equal to 0 is a line and y is equal to half is also a line. So these two lines is mapped into a line and the circle. So y is equal to 0 is mapped into a line and y is equal to 1 by 2 is mapped into a circle, right?